on the ground. Climbing 600, 700, 800 feet a minute. So as I'm letting my engine cool off, I'll do an ignition test. As long as it's running smooth, I know I've got a good engine. By the way, it's a completely early morning day, so I actually climbed up above the clouds here at 2500. Just waiting my 2 minutes, and I'm going to shut the engine down. And then I let the engine hang tight. Basically retract the engine, and then you extend it back open again, just a pinch, just like during the pre-flight. And you gotta let it sit like that for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do my best to adhere to that, just to let the muffler cool off. And then I'll close the doors and come in and land. Got 1 minute and 15 seconds done of cooling. So then, when I'm ready to shut the engine off, full idle, ignition off. Keep the nose down. And then you can actually accelerate, just a pinch to blue line. Hit the starter while the ignition's off, and that actually turns the prop over. As you can see, once it's lined up, the propeller, the starter's inhibited, and it automatically retracts. The engine's retracted now. So now I'm going to extend it back up. I'm going to retract my gear. So now I've got engine traveling. I'm going to let that cool for 5 minutes. I'm not going to have 5 minutes, but you know, now you can see why I climbed up to 2,500 feet. Just going to give this a second. I'm going to do some min sync action here. Now I'll come in and land. Here's what it's like stalling a 20 meter, 65 foot wingspan glider. Gonna get her all lit up. There you go. That's it. Break the stall, you're flying again. That's it. This glider gives you so much. It gives you so much warning. If you still stall it and spin it in, I'm going to be amazed by that. You'd have to really work to it. As long as you feel smooth airflow, she's flying. A new Hibiscus 505 Juliet Lima is overhead the airfield. 1,700 feet, just drifting down. Be coming in to land. It's a mild little thermal off here. Cool. I'm going to stay in the air. If I want to. And I do.